How to dust bedroom. How can you dust your bedroom? What is the best way to dust bedroom? Welcome to this channel, Homemaking Made Simple for Modern Women. My name is Florence Straka. In today's video, I'm going to show you the simple way to dust bedroom. And it's easy to do. The only thing you need is getting the right duster, and that will get all the work done for you. So let's dive right in. I have this long duster that I love and use all the time because it's simple to use. It's very long. You can stretch longer than this. As you can see, it reaches all the corners, every corner. I don't have to stretch too much. It's really easy for me. So the best way to be able to use your duster is make sure you get a good duster, a long one that will reach every corner in your bedroom. So I'm going to show you how to do that right away. And as you can see, this is one of the, I don't have to bend too much. Can clean the top of my door and then all that, and we just go around. You can see that is so easy to reach all the corners and clean everything else that you can. I always dust this way. It's always clean, and you can see I'm just gonna go this here, all the corners, and then we just go to all the blinds. And then sometimes I make sure I get the blinds, get down all the blinds here, get everything out. If my duster is too long, all I do is you just twist it, and then you see it's just simple and then easy for me to reach. I can always reach as well. Then we just keep going, then we go around. You can see, get all the corners. And if this is too short, I just stretch this up, open it up a little, and then I can get all the corners. Just like that, three corners. I can reach underneath my dresser. And behind the top of my bed, just here, and then you can see, and I can go run on top of my bed as well right there and get every dust off. Duster here, just the best. The wings, clean it all up, get everything out, clean my dresser. But so simple. Get this TV as well, and then the top of my dresser, the duster here as well. Dust I have on here. I use this to clean my bedside table like this. You can see, so easy to get all the dust, everything off. And I just mop. How long this is, it makes your life so easy when you are dusting. I love this duster. Simple, easy, and we are done. That's it. My bedside table is dusted clean. You can see around all the corner of my bed is all done. The whole room is done. And now all I have to do is just wipe the floor off and I'm done. So as you can see, with everything dusted, everything here is dusted. We are done. Neat, clean. There is no dust anymore. You can see everything is dusted. And make sure you dust all this, all the pegs underneath here. All that is done. Your bedroom, all that is. And I even use this so every corner is clean. And then everything is laying neat. Washcloth or microfiber towels, and then just wipe it down again. Simple as that. As easy as that. Wipe everything down. My dresser is, and I do the same thing here. Just dust it all off, and I do the same thing for the little one here. The bedside table, wipe it all off. Wipe the top of my bed, the headbed off, and then wipe the side of the bed. And that's it. That's all you have to do. That's all. It's just so simple. You just have to make sure that you have a good duster that helps you to go around every corner in your bedroom and dust everything down. So first thing, dust the top down first and dust the corners around, the edges all around the room. Use a microfiber cloth or washcloth and then go over it to make sure that everything is wiped off neatly. After that, you are done. The only thing left is is just to clean the floor, which I'm going to do. So just try to do that, and that is the simplest way to be able to dust your bedroom. Easy. You don't have to spread dust all around the room. The right duster will help you to achieve that. Make sure you get a duster that is long enough so you don't stretch too much. This duster that I have is easy to use. It's long enough. You can open it up longer if you want. As you can see how long this is. If it's too long, you can just slide it like that. You know, you have extension that expands. You just expand it and you use it. And this is very, very, very easy to use. I love this a lot because I can also take this off like that, and see I have two, and then I can just use this for shorter and longer or a taller corners to clean. If it's something simple here, I just take this off and use. The reason why I like this so much is you can just hand wash it, air dry, and that's it. You are done. Use it again. I have this for a long time. So that is the easiest way to dust your bedroom, and I hope this video helps you to be able to do that. If this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you as always. I thank you every time for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.